Hey, welcome to the Jackson Family YouTube channel, and I'm Richard. We're going to go over today a cheaper way for you to have a raised garden bed. Cheaper than purchasing a raised garden bed kit from like a big box store. A comparable one from a box store, 48 inches by 95 inches by 26 inches. They want $354 for this raised bed garden kit. From the same store, if you buy just the lumber, will cost you under $100. That's it. We're going to do our version of the raised garden beds. Really all the tools that you need is a power drill, a saw, circular saw, tape measure, square, level, screws. That's pretty much it. I've got to go get the kiddos from school here in a little while. The wife's at work right now. So let's see, I don't even know what time it is. Let's check. It is 2:02 right now. I've got about an hour and 15 minutes before I've got to go get the kids from school. So. Literally the only two cuts you have to make to do the main box frame. Okay, so here's what I did. I used one of my boards for the top part, and I kind of got a straight edge off the front. So I also put enough space to run our riding lawnmower through here. What else? I found out this corner is high. This is my main corner. I'm going to work off of this one. So I've got to get it dropped down and get everything kind of level, and then I'll square it after. Once I get kind of close, I'll work on squaring it. So I'm just going to do this for a minute, and maybe the dogs will help me. Alright, so I didn't think that you needed to watch all of that and look at my backside and whatnot while I'm trying to get this thing figured out. I don't know why, this has always been something that's a little bit tricky for me to figure out, is this leveling part, you know, to get it perfect. And kind of I may procrastinate, but it's only because I want to give myself enough time to do it as near to perfect as I can. So this thing is pretty close to level. That side I had to kind of get picked up a little bit. I dug this side in already quite a bit, you can tell. So I've got to move some dirt over to the other side, but I'm going to go ahead and check it for square real quick. Mainly just going to check it for square, get it kind of lined up perfect, and then I'm going to go ahead and move some dirt for that side on the inside of this to kind of shore it up on the inside so it'll hold our organic matters. But it's looking good. It's turning out pretty good. So let's see if we can get it to square up for us. Alright, so most of you, if you've ever built anything as far as the structure goes, you probably know if your two diagonals are the same, then you're square, right? we are 109 even. That's weird. Exactly 109. I'm not looking for perfection necessarily here, but as close to perfection as I can get would be great. Alright, so we're 110 this way. 1 inch off. 110, 109. Need to bring this side to me just a little bit. Check it again. I guess I'm looking for 109 and a half, right? 109 and a half. And see if we can get it 2 times. 109 and a half. That was the easiest I've ever had. I've never made just one adjustment to get something square, so that is, for the camera, good deal. Alright, so that probably took the longest of everything, every other component of this job. I'm debating on what I want to do right now because I gotta go get the kiddos. I gotta leave here in at least 20 minutes. So that took the majority of the time, but it's nice and level and it's not going to bleed dirt. So we're good to go there. It's square. It's ready for the chicken wire. I just don't know if I have time to get that little project started. But I think I better wait. So what I'm going to do with you guys is I'm going to show you one time around. Just, you saw it took like, what, 5 minutes to put the boards together? That's all it's going to take me to do the top part. It's going to be exactly the same thing. I'm going to use my wife to help me put it up here. And then it's just start the little trim stuff. But, I mean, that's pretty much common sense. So I'm going to cut you guys off. I'll bring you back as soon as I get back from getting the kiddos.
Hello guys, this is me and Sarah. We just got back from school and we're going to help Daddy build the chicken wire fence.
We're going to put it in the raised garden bed, huh?
Yeah, and it's so fun. This time you don't say powder and fixed it. That's how we know it, okay?
Do what else? Another raised garden bed. Alright, excuse me, corn dog.
And we also have a nice family. But you don't see that my daddy is here to make it.
Are you narrating? Junior?
Yep.
Get inside the box, please. Excuse me now. Out, corn dog. Daniel?
Whoa.
Drag that over there. Thank you.
Hey, Bobby.
You're going to have to probably roll it like that, dude. When you get to the end, pick it up and set it on the outside. You might have to move my tools. Sarah, will you move the tools, please?
Go away. Where you going? Got it.
Thank you.
Whoa, this is heavy. Oh, it's right.
Alright, put it down.
Stop.
Put it down.
No, he's talking
Daniel,
to
stop it. Don't let it roll away.
He's talking to Daniel. Yeah, I can show you that, please.
I can do it like Daddy.
Is it kicking your butt?
Yeah, I don't get it yet.
Try again.
Yeah, just a little bit.
Make sure you're on the same row.
Don't eat this away, Daddy.
Okay, well, Daniel got that side trimmed up for me, so it should be about right. It doesn't matter if there's a little bit excess, but he got that side cut. It's gonna fit now. We're just gonna staple it in. That's about it right now, and then go up with it. Do the next level. I missed, Daniel.
That's it right here. It's showing up.
Yeah.
Over here. What is that? Middle
This?
one?
This thing shoots staples through the wood.
Oh. Treasure. Oh, treasure.
It's holding it like that. Daddy's holding it like that so the dogs can't get it in.
Bring it over here this side, please.
What? This?
Haley's got it.
My dad's. Oh.
Yeah, every
Don't be Dad.
Yep, looks like it. You can put that one down by that end, Bella.
Whoa, real long, huh, Dad?
Yeah, thank you, girls.
You're welcome. Love you, Dad.
Love you, fun love.
Hi.
There's Daniel. Bring the black out. Oh, yeah.
Mommy, love you. Yes, that's you, or also not you. Oh. Yummy, have it.
So, the only thing left to do is the 1x1 in the corners, and then brace in the middle, and put dirt in it, and it's good to go. I'm just going to screw temporarily. Make sure I've got clearance. Okay, well I sent the wife after some more screws. I went ahead and put these last 3 corner braces in. Now, I've measured, right, first off I marked center. I've also measured for height because I had to dig kind of under grade on this side. It looks like about 20 inches is all that I have vertical space inside the box. For this brace, the way I've got to build it, I'm going to cut 2 pieces that are going to be 20 inches long at the longest, and they're going to be cut on 45s. So the long side will be 20 inches, the short side, you know, whatever it comes out to be after I cut it on 45. And then I'm going to cut, well, I'm going to measure and then cut the other piece, screw all that stuff in, and this box is officially done. So, yeah.
You on the ground, baby?
Hmm?
You on the ground?
No. You can use this to square it. It looks like you got it. Okay, we're going to put one in. Okay, so I'm measuring and cutting with 45s for the tie-in for these 2 pieces. It's 46.5 inches. Here. All right, squeeze a little bit. Okay, so the finished product. There's a brace we just built. These are our corners where we tied everything in. So the tops and bottoms are tied together. The screws on each side, top and bottom. Anyway, one to match that one. We're going to rip out that old black plastic. But we may put another lattice on that one. I'm actually thinking about semi-dog-proofing it by, I've got a couple of cattle panels over there. You can't really see, they're right there. I'm going to go ahead and, today, we're done. But before I finish this one, and maybe this one, I'm going to put like a little 6 or 8 inch dog fence on it. Uh-oh. Apparently, the black dog got in the house. He had to get carried out by Mama. But, for today, that's about all we got.